We're on the air.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to come in? Come on in. We're on.
Hey guys.
Good morning. Hey everybody, let's give an appropriate welcome. Let's applaud. How are you? What's going on?
Oh, you know,
Doing good?
doing well. I'm actually, I'm kicking off my tour here in Sacramento.
I know. We were going to talk about that. We got to take a break. I just wanted to. All your fans here. This little girl, look, she's crying right now.
And now guy was laughing at her. Not nice.
Sorry.
It's okay.
That happens to me too.
Just a few minutes ago, I said, "Who's the biggest Jesse McCartney fan?" And do you remember what you said?
I am
Yeah, she's really happy. She's got a CD. I don't know if you could sign
What's
it.
your name?
Leah.
That's my sister's name.
Perfect.
How do you spell it?
L-E-A-H.
Oh, cool. Are you coming to the show tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Well, you get to see him before this. You know, it's the first show on the tour. It's pretty exciting, guys.
This is where they work out the kinks.
I know. We're going to come back and we're going to play a couple commercials and come back in just a second, and we'll have a chance to catch up and see what you've been doing lately.
Cool, definitely.
Back next with Jesse McCartney, live here on the Wake Up Call. It's 107.9 The End. We're going to push that off a little bit. We're going to have to. Thank you for coming in, man.
Yeah, man. It's good to see
Yeah,
you.
nice to meet you. I'm Gavin.
Jesse, nice to
Hi.
meet you.
Hi, I'm Kelly. Nice to meet you.
Hey, what's up? Didn't realize that was going to be